When darkness consumes the earth, when injustice rules, a force beyond time descends. This is no fantasy. This is the Dashavatara, the 10 divine forms of Vishnu, the protector of the universe. As a great flood threatened to destroy all life, Vishnu became Matsya, a giant fish guiding sages and seeds of life to safety. The cycle of creation began anew. Today, when floods of misinformation drown us, will we find our Matsya? To churn the ocean and bring out nectar, gods and demons needed balance. Vishnu became Kurma, the tortoise, holding the mountain on his back. In a world of endless churning politics, conflicts, who will give us balance? The demon Hiranyaksha dragged Earth into cosmic depths. Vishnu roared as Varaha, lifting Bhudevi on his tusks and restoring her place in the universe. When our own Earth sinks into crisis, who will be our Varaha? The demon Hiranyakashipu. He could not be killed, by man or animal during day or night, inside or outside on earth or in the sky, by any weapon. To bypass this boon, Vishnu appeared as Narasimha, half man, half lion, neither fully man nor fully animal. He killed Hiranyakashipu at twilight, neither day nor night, on the threshold of a doorway, neither inside nor outside, placed him on his lap, neither earth nor sky, and tore him apart with his claws, not a weapon. In this way, the divine fulfilled the conditions of the boon while restoring balance to the universe. As a humble dwarf, Vamana asked King Bali for just 3 steps of land. Then he grew infinite, covering the entire cosmos in 2 strides. Even a small step of wisdom can transform the universe. Corrupt rulers drowned the world in chaos. Vishnu appeared as Parashurama, wielding his axe to restore balance. When power corrupts, action becomes Dharma. The perfect man, the ideal king. Rama's journey to defeat Ravana wasn't just war, it was, the triumph of Dharma over adharma. Rama teaches us that true strength lies in character, not weapons. As Krishna, Vishnu guided Arjuna with wisdom in the Bhagavad Gita, ended Kamsa's tyranny, and became the heart of devotion for millions. In the battlefield of life, wisdom is our greatest weapon. To stop mindless violence, Vishnu came as Buddha, teaching peace, compassion, and mindfulness. In a world of rage, compassion is revolutionary. When Kali Yuga's darkness reaches its peak, Vishnu will return as Kalki, riding a white horse, wielding a blazing sword to end all evil. But will Kalki come? Or can we awaken the divine within ourselves? Dashavatara isn't just ancient myth, it's a message. Whenever darkness rises, the divine descends, not just from the heavens, but from within us. Dharma always returns. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.